Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you how to remove and replace the power liftgate support bracket. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2019. Now first I will show you what's happening here. Now my power liftgate is detached here, as you can see, but because this piece it's supposed to be attached right here, as you can see, and this small ball is supposed to be there, and then this ball is going here, and this handle will open and close the power liftgate. Now everything works if I try to open and close the liftgate with my key fob. This handle will go up and down, but it has to be attached here. Now first I thought I'll have to weld this or something back on because I didn't see it's being screwed in like the other ones, like this one here for example. This one's completely different, but there's actually a bracket behind this plastic cover. So first you want to remove this cover, and once you see what's going on here, you'll understand everything. Now to pop this off, you can just use a trim removal tool or a flat screwdriver or anything similar. You just have to kind of pop it down, right? There's a bunch of these plastic pins here. Okay, so you don't even have to remove it completely, just pull it down on the left side, and now here is the bracket, right? And here you can see where that ball broke. So the fix for this is to replace this bracket. Now just remove these two screws and install the new bracket. I don't have the bracket yet, but I will show you on my computer exact part number and how to get it. Now to remove these screws, you'll need a 13mm socket and a ratchet, or a 13mm wrench key. Okay, and here it is once it is off, right? And this piece is supposed to be right here. And that actually breaks quite often on these minivans. And now I'll go inside and I'll show you on my computer the part number to replace it. So it's very easy to do it by yourself, and you don't have to take the vehicle to the shop. You see, you just remove these two screws and remove the bracket. Okay, and here's the part number 5054710EC. It's called liftgate bracket, and here on the schematics it's gonna be part number 13 right here. If I go under description, bracket with ball stud, bracket with stud for gas cylinder, to attach motor and gear. So that's it. Very easy to replace and quite cheap part. Now if for some reason your local dealer doesn't have it or cannot get it, you can always go to the car salvage and just find the used van there and take the part off. It's gonna cost you maybe $5. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.